Okay, I saved it, and whenever you email it, it will strip out some of these lines of code and put XXX there. So I went through and put it back, I think, the way that you originally had it. Let me save it. Now refresh that. Now enter the number of years, put 3 in, and click calculate years into seconds. And I don't see anything. So it doesn't appear to be working. If I do this drop down here, then you'll see different tools available. Specifically under more tools, and this is done in Google Chrome, you see developer tools. Now if you bring that up, this will oftentimes tell you where your error is. And this says uncaught syntax error, unexpected identifier. And it tells us line, it looks like line 34. So if I click that, it'll actually go where it assumes the error is. Line 34. There's no line 34. Okay. Sometimes that's helpful. Sometimes it doesn't do anything. So let's close that. I'll click this X. Now let's look at our code. Let's see. Enter number of years. Input type equals text. ID is time box. Okay. So that's where they're putting it at. Button value calculate years in seconds. On click equals time equals parse float. Document.getElementById. Lowercase g, uppercase E, uppercase B, uppercase I. So that all matches. Time box. It looks like all of your letters match up. Okay, so that should return that the time. Now seconds is equal to time times 365 times 86,400. I assume this is out of the book where it tells you how many seconds are in a year, in a day, in a day, assuming. Okay, document.getElementById. I'll put div inner HTML equals that. I think this is the issue right here. See the single quote there? That closes off the string. Let's see. Let's get rid of that. That's plus seconds. Okay, and then closing there. And div ID, I'll put div. Okay. Okay, so I'll refresh this. I'll put 3 in here. And click that. And that looks like what the error was. Okay, now how can you put a single quote there? Not sure if I remember this. Let's put double quotes in here around this. Sometimes that works. Then if I put a single quote, that's not closing it off. Okay, so refresh that, put a 3 there. Obviously that doesn't work. The other way you can do it sometimes is put like a slash before it. I might have the wrong slash. Let's see. Okay, well that's looks like I did the right slash. Now what that slash tells it is that this is not a quote to end this quote here. This is just telling us that hey, that's actually a quote I want in my string.